Good morning, students. Today I am going to start English grammar, and the name of the chapter is reported speech. Students, today I will tell you what is direct speech, what is indirect speech, what is reported speech, what is reporting verb, what is reporting of subject of reporting verb, what is object of reporting verb, and how direct speech is changed into indirect speech. There are different rules, but basic things today I will tell you. Here, as the chapter is reported speech, first of all I will tell you what is reported speech. The speech that is reported by a reporter or speaker is known as reported speech. It is always written in inverted comma. Students, another thing is what is direct speech, what is indirect speech. The speech that we say, the speech of a speaker that we say the same word. If there is a speech of a speaker and we say the same speech in same words, that is known as direct speech. The same speech of a speaker or reporter is known as direct speech. Just like this, he said to me, I always help you. He said to me, the speaker is he, and he had said something to me. What he had said, it has been written in order come, I always help you. These words are spoken by him, not by me. So these words, this speech is the same speech of a speaker. So it is direct speech. Then what is direct speech? The speech of a speaker or reporter. If there the same word of speech, the same words, the same speech of a speaker is known as direct speech. And what is indirect speech? If that speech of a speaker we speak in our own words, then it is known as indirect speech. Here you see this direct speech has been changed to indirect speech, and it has been written here. He told me that he always helped me. It is indirect speech. He said to me, I always help you. It is direct speech, because direct words or direct sentence or speech has been written here. But in the second sentence, this speech has been changed to indirect speech. The speaker, what he had said, I have told in our own words. So it is indirect speech. He told me that he always helped me. It is indirect speech. Students, here you have seen that different changes have come here. How these changes have come here? There are a lot of rules. Before going forward, you should know some basic things about it. Those are reporting verb, subject of reporting verb, object of reporting verb, and reported speech. Let's see what are they. We have to see it. I am writing a sentence, students. I am writing a sentence here. He said to us, you are playing cricket. He said to us, you are playing cricket. I have written a sentence here. It is direct speech. And this speech has been spoken by he. The subject is he. Before going forward, we have to understand first of all, wherever direct speech is written there, in that direct speech, these things are found. Subject of reporting verb, object of reporting verb, and reported speech. Let's see in this sentence. In this direct speech, he said to us, you are playing cricket. It is direct speech. In this speech, here inverted comma is written. You are playing cricket. It is inverted comma. Outside of inverted comma, some other things are written. Here you see, said. This is reporting verb. Said is reporting verb. And he is subject of reporting verb. He is the subject of reporting verb. Us is the object of reporting verb. Us is the object of reporting verb. Here I have written reporting verb, said is reporting verb. Subject of reporting verb, he is the subject of reporting verb. Object of reporting verb, us is the object of reporting verb. One thing is that reported speech. Reported speech is written in inverted comma. It is reported. Why it is called reported speech? Because this speech is reported by a reporter, he. This speech has been reported by he. He is reporter. Subject is also known as reporter. Reporter. Do you know? Whatever speech the reporter has given is known as a reported speech or direct speech. It is written in inverted comma. In this way, students, you have known that the same speech or the words of speaker is known as direct speech. It is written in inverted comma. And outside of inverted comma, three things are found: reporting verb, its subject, and its object. And the sentence that is written in inverted comma is known as reported speech. Students, how a direct speech is changed into indirect speech? There are different kinds of rules. Many rules are there, but before going to the rule, we have to know something about chart of personal pronoun. You have to make a chart of personal pronoun. I am making this chart, and you have to write in your notebook this chart. Now I am going to make this chart. Chart of, here I am writing, chart of personal pronoun. Here to make this chart. How this chart you make? I have to make here to make person, here subjective case, here objective case, here possessive case, POSSESSIVE, possessive case. There are three cases: subjective case, here person, subjective case, objective case, and possessive case. Personal pronoun, there are three categories of personal pronoun: first person pronoun, second person pronoun, and third person pronoun. And three cases are there: subjective case, objective case, and possessive case. For example, first person is I, subjective case I, objective case me, possessive case mine. Mine is also written, but the use of mine is not here there. And see, it is I is singular number, we is plural number, we, us, our. Ours is written, but it is not used here. Now, second person pronoun. Here you make this line is draw it. For this case, you should draw the line. Right? For this case, now for this case. Now you will see three cases are personal pronoun: subjective case, objective case and possessive case. First person pronoun I, we, its objective case me, us, and possessive case my, our, mine. Second person pronoun is there, you. Subjective case is objective case also you. Possessive case your. Yours is written but its you is not there. Type of example. Now third person pronoun comes like he. Subject not third person pronoun. Subjective case is he. Objective case is him. Possessive case is he. Then she, then her, then her, then hers. Then they, subjective case they, then them, then their, then theirs. You have to write they, them, their, theirs. And one is left, one is its. Here there is no place, so I will write here. Here should write last is left. Here no place at the blackboard. Write over here. Its. This is last. Subjective case, objective case, and possessive case. These things you should write below. Here below you should write its. In this way, students, this personal chart of personal pronoun you have to write in your notebook, and you have to make this chart. Person here write the subjective case, then objective case, then possessive case. POSSIV possessive case. Then after that you will write first person, second person, third person. I, me, my, mine. You, we, us, ours. Then they, you, yours. Then he, him, his. She, her, hers. And then they, them, theirs. You should write and they, them, theirs. THEIRS. Then last you should write its. These are third person, this is second person, these are first person. You should write in your notebook. Further I will teach you another time. Thank you.